Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 9, and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration features on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Over here you can click on Vibration right away, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also scroll down, click on Phone Ringtone and tap on Vibration. Over here, pick one of those vibration patterns for your incoming calls by tapping on the chosen one and going back. You can also click on Vibration and select None. This way you will turn off vibrations completely. Now you need to go back and do the same for your messages and notifications. After that, scroll down, click on More Settings and click on the switches next to Vibratory Ringing and System Haptics to enable or disable vibrations for these features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!